I'm Jerry Probst. I'm a member of the Loess Hills Audubon. I've been doing the Christmas bird count. I've been running it for about 20 years.
100.
Seems like 100 years. And we go out owling first thing in the morning, usually at Stone Park for the Sioux City bird count. And we're looking for barred owls, and we got a screech owl earlier, and we haven't dug up a great horned owl. Those are the three main owls that we look for that are here year-round. There are owls that are come down for the balmy weather down here from the north, but they're harder to find.
Why do you enjoy birding?
Well, you never know what you're going to see and what's going to happen, and you're outside, and it's different seasons and has a lot of different aspects to it that are most of them are very good. Sometimes it's a little chilly, but it's still a really nice day, or morning as it is.
Lorenzo Dunkaloni.
How long have you been doing this for?
As long as Jerry's been talking me into it, 100 years.
And what do you enjoy about birding?
I'm just an extra set of eyeballs. I just see things. I don't know what I see, and I just let Jerry know what I see, and then he identifies it. But I'm out for the exercise, and we walk all the time. We don't sit in cars and drive around. We're out walking, or except in the morning when we're looking for owls. We got to play the tape and listen. And I've gotten to know the owls now by sound. And but I like being outside and going to all these different places.
We'll play it up here.
The suspect.
Howdy. Good morning.
Howdy.
How many things do you count?
You what?
We didn't get any, so you got to go get them. Remember, I did that to you once. You went down there and didn't get anything. I came down and they were just going crazy.
We got a screech owl.
Yeah, howdy. See what I can do here for
Yeah.
it. So, I figured since I got the winter wren about 8-ish,
Yeah.
8:30, something like that. That's kind of want to try this thing first and
So
see.
down there, they were getting wound up pretty good.
Really?
The nuthatches and
Okay.
downy woodpeckers and
Good.
stuff. So they're waking up.
Good. There was a small flock. I'm going to guess juncos. I couldn't identify them, but they flew from about where those stumps are over into the brush on the west side of the road.
Okay.
I didn't see them in the brush, so
Okay.
I'm not sure what they are. Like I said, it's probably juncos, but you may want to take a look when you get closer
Yeah.
here and see what you can find here.
We did have a woman walking a dog that came down about 45 minutes ago and went up the trail.
Really?
So you might run into her.
Okay.